Hollywood has sold its soul to AI as studios invest billions in AI replacements for human talent. As many as 96% of media and tech executives are prioritizing investments in generative AI, but creativity can't be replicated, or can it? Generative AI has advanced rapidly, now able to generate content, images, videos, and even virtual actors autonomously. While this may seem efficient, it lacks human spark. Surprisingly, a recent study found that Hollywood actually lags behind many other industries in adopting generative AI, with tech, consumer products, and construction firms leading the way. Could we see a future where human and machine creatives collaborate seamlessly? Or will Hollywood's greed and thirst for efficiency silence creative voices? How can we ensure this tech amplifies rather than replaces the irreplaceable magic of human imagination? Let me know, and don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.